Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. So, we are very happy and proud to announce that one of our students, Sai Leela, got recently selected in Capgemini on 29th of April 2021 as a analyst in the company with a very good package. So, without wasting any time, let us know how the round was, what are the type of questions which were recently asked, latest pattern, and also some tips and advices from her. Hi, Sai Leela.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm great, sir. And how about you?
I'm good, Sailila. On the outset, we are very happy that our student has been selected in Capgemini. And Sailila, this video, no, we are making this video to help students who are preparing for Capgemini to get better insights so that it will help them get placed tomorrow.
Sure, sir. I will say about everything which I had faced and also how I had given my interview and everything.
Superb. Superb. So, right from the first round till the last round, could you please share your interview experience in detail?
Yes, sure, sir. Starting round, there are 5 rounds, which are from the
Hmm.
assessment of pseudocode, verbal communication, and then gaming, and then behavioral test, and then finally TR and HR round.
Okay.
Firstly, assessment of pseudocode. There will be 30 questions, which
3-0.
follow is 30 questions,
Huh. Huh.
30 minutes. So
Hmm.
we have to be very fast actually. Otherwise, the time will be like it was running, but we can't help anyone.
Okay.
Many of the questions are like looping. So they
Looping questions.
yes, looping questions.
Okay. Okay.
It takes much time. So I suggest everyone to first look after the questions all, just a glance,
Hmm.
so that which they can solve by seeing the question. So first attempt that, and then
Hmm.
come to looping questions. So the
Okay,
timeline,
okay, okay.
yes, sir. I have
This is
done
a
it.
very nice point that you highlighted. So what she's trying to tell is all the questions, okay, 30 questions, directly don't get into looping because that will consume a lot of your time. So first finish questions which do not consume your time, which are quite general
Yes, sir.
about they might ask about
Hmm.
compilers, interpreters, all that error messages and all. Try to finish those which takes less time and then get into control statements or looping statements which take a bit more time so that you don't waste your time in all those looping structures.
Exactly.
And also, Sailila, did you have an option to choose between languages?
No, sir. Pseudocode, no, sir. So we
Uh,
can't have any language to select ourselves.
So C, C++,
No,
Java.
no, sir.
So pseudocodes, okay, they were general English statement type.
Yes, sir. General English statements and options will be given, and we have
Okay,
to
okay.
answer
Which
it.
means a non-IT student will also be able to understand this part.
Yes, sir. Easily they can understand that.
Okay, okay, okay. And which platform was it conducted on?
I think it was Superset.
Okay, okay. So it was their platform generally.
Yes, sir.
And one more doubt I have, Sailila, is before we continue, how did you get to know that, there is this Capgemini drive happening? Was it off campus, on campus? How was it?
I came to know through my friends itself, sir. My friend circle, they posted it in our group, and so
Ah,
I had applied it. That's it. I don't
okay,
have any idea about from the company website or something. I just
okay,
to
okay,
friends circle itself. They
okay.
passed me.
Anybody, any channel, any company gives out any vacancy details, they will get to know first, okay? But it is our students who crack it at the end.
Sure.
Right? Sailila, superb. So you got to know about it. And when was your test
My
conducted?
test was on April 19th, sir. April 19th.
19th of April.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, so got to know about that. And which department are you from?
I'm from ECE,
EC department.
electronics. Yes.
Okay, okay, superb. So electronic students cracking IT company, that is a different pride actually.
Yes.
Correct? Okay. So first round was pseudocodes. As you told, you had 30 questions, 30 minutes. Every question had one minute
Yes,
to
sir.
solve.
Exactly.
Okay. And you're trying to say that first finish all the general questions and then get back to looping statements, which takes more time. Okay. So now I have a doubt. Okay. After you clear pseudocode round, were you directly entering the second round or was there any cutoff over there?
No cutoff, sir. We can directly
Cutoff.
enter. Yes, sir.
Second round. So
Yes.
was the second round
Everyone,
immediately after?
everyone said that it will be the elimination round, but I don't feel like that. Every round, 4 rounds are on the same day, on April 19th itself. It's
Okay.
a pseudo code and the verbal communication, then gaming, and then behavioral test. They are
Okay.
all on the
Okay.
same day.
Okay. So as soon as you finish the pseudo code, you press the submit button.
Yeah.
Directly the second round started.
Yes, sir. Second round started.
And what was the second round about?
In English and verbal communication skills.
Mm-hmm. Can you
In that
please tell a
also,
bit more?
yes, sir. In that also, first you try to answer the synonyms, antonyms based questions, and then go for passages, because based on passages there were 5 or 6 questions. While we reading the passage, it takes more time, because
Mm-hmm.
it was like about 10 to 12 lines.
See, passages, no, not only in Capgemini, in every company, passages will take a lot of time. That is time consuming. So again, we can apply the same technique, like come to passages at the end, first finish all the general questions.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No? So did you follow the same thing?
Same thing, sir. They also in that also we have 30 questions, 30 minutes. I got 3 passage questions actually. In each of them, 5, 5, 5.
Mm-hmm.
So that I solved remaining all questions and then came to the passages.
Passages. And you found enough time to complete this
Yes,
section,
sir.
30 questions, 30 minutes?
Even I left over some time and I cross-checked all the questions also.
Wow, super. Good. When people are like not finding time in verbal and you were able to even cross-check, that shows, your preparation level was quite good with
Yes,
respect to all the rounds.
I have to say thank you to Ritu ma'am first of all for this. She helped a lot, sir. Really. After watching her videos and after watching her classes, everything, it made me feel so easy, and I attempted every question very easily.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you are thinking who is Ritu ma'am, she is a verbal trainer from Quant Masters. Okay, so this was verbal part. You cracked it really well. So as soon as you clicked on the submit button, which was the next section?
Next section was a gaming section, sir. Gaming.
Oh, this is quite interesting part. Okay, please tell me.
Yeah. In this, 4, sir, four parts were there. I mean, like 4 levels. Each one has many levels. We like how I need to say it, like our speed is important there. We have to answer
How
multi
fast you
questions.
solve.
Yeah. Yes.
Correct. You had this deductive reasoning. You have a lot of game type questions.
That based on symbols, finding out symbols and the dotting,
Okay.
and like that. There will be the 4 rounds, sir. 4. In that we have the levels. Based on the speed. So how much you level, that will be continued to levels, sir. There will be
So if you're quite fast, your level will keep
level
increasing.
will be increasing. Yes, sir.
So if I'm quite slow, then level will be decreasing.
Level will be
or it'll be the same. Okay.
Not like decreasing. You will be in the same level, and after some time there will be mentioned time, sir. This will be closed in this time, and then next section will be started. Actually, there were 4 rounds now, sir. In gaming only, there will be 4 games.
Okay.
The 4 games. From the first game, you have to move on to levels. In each, we will be having levels. So we have to move on to levels. More the levels, more games.
Correct. And your if you do it faster, if the levels keep improving, I think even your marks keeps improving, right, over there.
Yes, sir. It is based on that. Yes.
Okay, so it was game based is all about how fast you do it.
How fast? Yeah. Here I would like to mention. Please watch the portal website. In portal we have the Capgemini's videos, recorded videos. It helps a lot. Actually, it helped me a lot. I have watched that, and
you watched the video of Capgemini, which we had put it in the portal. Okay.
Yes, sir. It helped me a lot. I suggest everyone please watch it, and you can easily crack it. You can easily crack it.
Correct. I had in fact not trained my students. I had discussed with my students. We were solving it together. Me and my students were solving it together. Okay. We are very happy to know that the videos actually helped you, because you won't find these videos anywhere on the internet where they are training you on game based. Correct. All the games where they are training you, teaching you logics, discussing with you, you'll not find it anywhere.
Yes,
correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Super. So this helped you. Very good. You made use of the resources at Quant Masters. Okay, super. So after this round, how many questions, how many minutes was there in this game based?
22 to 24 minutes, sir. It will be, for me, it was 24 minutes. I got 24 minutes. And each game I passed for the level 3 and level 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I came to
Superb.
level 4.
Level 3 and level 4
Yes,
is
sir.
quite good. Very good. Very good, Sailila. We are proud that you have touched level 4. Superb. Okay. So after the game based, which was the next round?
Next was a behavioral, no elimination.
Psychometry.
Yes, sir, psychometric round.
Mm-hmm.
And for this also, I had watched some of the videos in Portal
Uh-huh.
based on that behavioral
So
test.
did those questions help?
Yes, sir. Actually, many of the questions were repeated. They twisted the questions. They twisted the same questions. I
Okay,
think
okay.
they think that we will answer differently.
Okay, okay. But few tips which we had discussed, not to do this, not to do that,
Yes,
all
sir.
that was
It
followed.
helped me. It helped me a lot
Okay,
there also.
superb, superb. Okay. So, and what type of questions, if the audience would like to know what type of questions was asked in psychometry?
They were very general, sir. General questions relating to in I can't say how it was like, but it was
Like, how
very
would you
general
react?
question.
It was like if your manager gives you more work, how would you handle?
Yes.
How would you behave in the group if someone is not listening to you? All that type of
If you are a
behavioral
team lead,
questions.
if you are a team lead,
Uh,
how would you manage your team? Will you give the
correct. So
output in a required time, in a specified
time or
time?
not,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah. So basically, people psychometry, I would say, if you have an open mind, if you are positive, having an open mind, learning things, absorbing things, having a bit of more patience, that will be enough for you to clear psychometry. Psychometry, they are checking how well do you observe, how open-minded you are, and how positive you are. Any problem is there, don't think about the problem, think about how I can solve it. Think about the solution. That will help you in psychometry. Am I right, Sailila?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Exactly. And,
Okay.
um, and like uh, basic things, which was we should not think for secondary also. Just what we get that in our mind, just answer it. That's it.
Because so
So
many questions are there and very less time you get.
yes, sir. 20 minutes and 100
And
questions.
100 questions in 20 minutes, which means what people in 1 minute, 5 questions. In 1 minute, 5 questions means 12 seconds, one question.
Yes.
And 12 seconds means I need minimum 8 to 10 seconds to read only.
Yes.
Am I right, Sailila?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you hardly have 2 to 3 seconds to answer over there. Okay, so this was the 4 rounds. After psychometry, what happened?
Yes, sir. Session was ended, and they had given me a message like, "You will receive a work style report." Next day, I got that work style report, but most of the people didn't get the work style report. Who didn't get? They were not qualified. It means they got eliminated from up to there itself.
They were your college mates?
Yes, sir. Many of the people, my friends who they didn't got. I asked them that, did you got the work style report? They said no, we didn't get anything. We didn't get any message or any mail or something like that. Yes,
So they were your college mates, and nobody was a part of Quant Masters also. Only you were a part of Quant
yes,
Masters.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Then.
Yes, sir. That was ended. And
Hmm,
next day, I received the work style report. I thought that everyone got that, so it was like the light chill. I thought that.
hmm,
But no,
hmm.
please don't take it like as I guessed.
Huh.
Once you received that, you start preparing for interview.
Hmm. Okay.
I thought that okay, chill, it's okay.
Huh.
Please don't do that mistake. Just prepare for the interview.
You're getting work style reports. From that minute only start preparing for technical is what Sailila is telling.
Yes, sir.
Point conveyed.
Yes, sir. And
Huh.
again on April 28th, I got interview slot. April 27th, they mentioned me that your interview has been slotted on April 28th.
Did this come through the college or directly the company mailed you?
Directly from the company, sir.
Okay.
From the
Okay.
company mail.
So this was basically off campus, not on campus.
Off campus, sir.
Off campus. So your college does not come in between
No,
you.
sir. No, sir. Nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And
Hmm.
on April 28th, I had my interview, which was starting with the technical round. At morning 11:30, it started. And he asked me like to tell me about yourself. He made me to start the conversation, something like that. So he asked me, tell me about yourself and the project details.
You could have told me this before, no, Salila. We would have conducted a mock for you. We would have conducted a mock interview for you. If you had told me this, that sir, we have this interview coming up, I would have taken a mock interview.
But I
Okay, who is he your brother?
who says she's my niece.
Okay, okay. So next time, no, any company comes, please let us know. We will take mock interviews.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay, there are many students outside Quantum Masters who are like, sir, I have my interview tomorrow. Okay, can you please help me out in that? We have taken mock interviews for people outside Quant Masters also,
Okay, sure, sir.
because we know the gravity of the situation. Tomorrow they are having their interview, it is their life. So we are like, definitely will give a mock interview. So anybody who has their interviews coming up, okay, so if you want a mock interview, you can get in touch with us. I will leave my WhatsApp number down in the description, and you can get in touch with us. We will provide you a mock interview for sure. Okay, so because you getting selected is something which is very important for your career. So without hesitation, please leave us a text. We'll help you for sure. Okay, so your technical round started. He asked you about yourself. All these are icebreaker questions so that you feel quite relaxed.
Yes, sir.
Then
And then he said like, okay, I'll ask you 2 or 3 questions. Firstly he asked me which programming language are you comfortable with. So I said like C and C++ I know very well, and Java is like only little bit. I know, I'm just starting. So he said, okay, I'll go with C. Yes, sir. Then he said, "Look, I would like to ask only 2 to 3 questions." He started.
easy people know what I've observed, Sailila. From the past 1 year, I've taken so many interview experiences. Easy people, they will always target either C or C++ or even Java, rarely, okay, but they will ask all basic questions. Very basic. Now, see, you'll only tell, okay, tell me what are the questions asked.
He firstly asked like, what is C? And then gone with what are features of C?
All CS department people are getting burnt right now. They're like,
Yes.
so simple question, huh? Then
And then he went like, what are pointers? Do you know about anything about pointers and types of pointers? And then what is call by value and call by reference? Is call by value safe and or call by reference is safe?
okay.
Yes. And then what are dynamic memory allocations? If you know them, just mention it. Otherwise,
Wow.
it will be okay. Yeah.
Okay. Did you mention?
Yes, sir. I mentioned, and he asked me. Then he asked me, okay, then give me syntax for it. So and then I had given the syntax.
So you had really prepared well for, I mean, all this technical thing.
Yes, sir.
Were you so good at technical right from before, Sailila?
I was not very well, but okay. I know which was it. Yes, sir. Again,
Okay.
I had attended the Shashank sir classes, technical classes, so it
So
helped
did
me
sir
more.
do all this? This sir
Yes,
did
sir.
all this malloc, calloc and all.
Everything which the interview which he asked, everything Shashank sir had already discussed and already he said.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So did you go through the videos?
Yes, sir. Everything I attended each and every class. I again watched the backup classes. Everything, sir. To say finally, Quant Masters helped me in tracking this interview. To say completely, yeah.
Nice to hear. Okay, we'll talk about it later, because right now people are really interested to know more questions. Okay, so he asked you about dynamic programming. People, EC students, dynamic programming was asked. Okay, so dynamic memory allocation was asked.
Yes, sir.
Then he asked you to write the syntax of it.
Syntax, yes.
Then.
Yes, sir. And then he asked me, what are unions?
Unions also he asked. Okay.
He asked me what is unions. At that time, I was in like, I shivered and I didn't answer that question. He said, okay, it's okay. I'll answer you that question. And he explained it.
Okay. Unions are like structures. Unions all are same data types, data structures. Both are.
Yes, that time he answered me and said, okay. And this was, and then he asked me like, tell me about your project. How it go and is it working now? Is it executed, everything? And he asked me about project details. And then he said, okay, your interview is done. Just wait for the next message or next email. And then he said to me, leave. That's it, sir.
So I have two things here to ask you. Number one, is in Capgemini, if a student is from non-IT, there are very rare situations where they have asked from core branch. With respect to your core branch, very rare situations where they have asked you core subjects.
Yes, sir. Very. He didn't even touch me. He just asked me about only in C language itself.
Correct. So people, 2 points to be noted. Number one, Capgemini, very rare where he asks you core branch question. The number two, even if you do not answer all the question, it is fine. Okay, you miss out one or two, it is fine. You don't have to worry. You don't have to panic. Okay, it is totally fine. Am I right, Sai Leela?
Yes, sir. Even I didn't answer the question, so he said it was all right. We don't.
Superb. Okay. So this was about the technical round, which happened on 28th of April 2021.
Yes, sir. April 20.
Then,
And then
then.
the same day the HR round will be. But what happened to me was they had mentioned, they had given me the slot for HR round. I received a message and they said to accept the call, but I didn't get the call. But I received the email like your interview was completed. After
Oh,
after technical round, I got that interview was completed. It was fine. But next for HR round, they gave me the slot and they didn't. I even didn't answer the call. But I received message like your interview was completed. I was like in a panic. I literally started crying. Wow, what happened? I didn't answer the call. So please don't get panic there.
mm,
They mentioned the email there. So you can just mail them. What was it? I said like my interview was abruptly cancelled. So what do I do? They again message me like it's okay. We will connect it again. So I waited
mm,
for from morning 11:30. My interview
mm,
over was technical round interview was over at 11:30, and I waited for evening 4:30. At
mm,
4:30, I again received the slot. So
mm.
then my HR round started. So don't get panic if you received any message like interview was cancelled or something like that.
Okay, you can reach out to them again, reply them back to the same mail, and they will arrange the interview for you back.
Yes, sir. They will arrange.
Okay. Okay. So your HR interview, how did it go?
Yeah, it was also quite easy.
Mm,
He just asked like the basic questions. Tell me about yourself, and uh, like will you relocate the location also? And then he asked me relocation, and then are you okay with shifts? That's
mm.
it.
All
Final.
this is basic. Okay, that's all.
That's all. He
Now
didn't
your,
ask
what are
me
your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What is your dream? Where do you see in 5 years? All these questions
nothing.
were okay. Okay. So that's all. And then after your interview got over by 5:15 on 28th of April, when did you get the result?
Yeah, on the same day I got the LOI, letter of intent,
Okay.
mentioning that congratulations for
Huh.
and got the LOI to accept the offer. So I
Superb.
accepted the offer on the
They're
same.
quite fast, huh? Capgemini, very fast. They
Yes,
don't
sir.
want to
I
waste
was.
their time. Okay. Superb. So again, we are very happy for you, Sailila, that you got selected in such a good company with such a good role. And you have not only been placed, but even your family members have been placed because now you are there to. You're so responsible right now. You will be working. Okay, so all the best for your life. Uh, may you get more and more companies, better product-based companies, more companies to start working with. So before we stop this interview, Salila, I would like to know how was your experience with Quantma? How did you first get to know about us?
I went through. I got your pop-ups from advertisements actually. I know
Okay,
the advertising in Instagram.
okay,
From
okay.
there I got your profile and I said, okay, I thought that every service will be the same. What will be the difference? But I go through the feed and the messages or everything, screenshots which you placed actually. I saw that and okay, I have to try this. No one mentioned me or any of my friends also didn't say this about it. So I
Hmm.
go through it and I had given a chance actually. Now
Okay,
I'm
you are like,
feeling
let
very
us see
happy.
what happens.
Yes.
Okay, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Anything I need to, I will get help. Percent something of some of the percent also. No? So I given
So
a
when you
chance and yes, sir.
so when you joined, did we match up to your expectation,
Yes,
whatever
sir.
expectation?
100%. I will say that 100%.
Okay.
100%.
Okay. So you're quite happy joining tell me one thing, Sailila. Do you, because you have already undergone a lot of training, placement training also. So do you find any difference in Quant Masters training? Did you find any difference here? Or was it the same like others?
No, no, sir, not at all. I find a lot of differences like the backup classes uh, and the questions. Actually, the app where we have the many questions which we can practice through them. Many of the questions we can go through, practice them, and the sessions were really we can learn everything from that.
You
From
mean to say the training program from the training
yes,
classes
sir.
of us?
Yes, sir. We
Okay,
can learn
okay,
from.
okay.
I can say I started on this. I'm from batch 12. The batch 12 was started, I think, on March ending or something
13th
like that.
March. 13th March.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
From 13 March to
Mhm.
April 19th. So
Okay.
easily you can find that in 1 month.
Okay.
I'm quite happy from Quant Masters. I'll
Superb.
thank
So we rose.
everyone. I thank everyone who worked for
Uh-huh.
Quant Masters, and that helped me a lot.
Superb. So our roasting actually helped every day. 3.5 hours of roasting have helped you actually.
Yes, sir. It was not
Because
like
when you
a roasting actually. It was very quite enjoy. We
okay.
enjoyed the sessions. We enjoyed a lot.
Okay.
Learning them.
Superb.
Yes. It was not like roasting in which we see in like colleges sitting and watching. It was nothing like that. Very quite happy. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the sessions.
Superb. Superb. So any tips you would like to give to the students who are preparing for Capgemini? Though I have given any other tip apart from whatever you have told.
I'd like to go through the portal and watch the previous videos and recorded sessions. It will
Okay,
help you a lot.
we have trained for Capgemini. We have videos with respect to Capgemini, and we are students who join our program. It is free for them. They can access company specific coding. We do not charge like this company is this much amount. This company is this much amount. Once you join our program, every resources is free of cost. Whatever, and every day we'll be pumping more and more data.
Yes, it will help.
Correct.
It will help everyone. I request
Okay.
everyone to join. Please join the Quant Masters, and you will crack it for 100%. I'll make sure. Even sir make sure or not, I don't know, but I'll pakka make it sure that you will crack by the end of
That
your
is the
timing.
confidence you have.
Yes,
The
sir.
people, I have not told her anything. I'm not giving her anything also. She's telling it on her own.
Yeah,
She-
it is not like that.
Okay, so you have so much of confidence that any student who joins will crack it. Sure. So thank you so much. This actually means a lot to us, Sailila. I mean, students' trust, reputation is above everything for us. Okay. So thank you so much for your time, so much of your energy, so much of your information that you have shared, Sailila. I'm very sure it will help a lot of students who are preparing for Capgemini. Very much.
Thank
So,
you so much. All the best for the who are going to write for Capgemini and other exams also. All the best.
thank you. Thank you so much. So, this was Sai Leela, our proud student who got placed in Capgemini. And he is very, how many people got selected, Sai Leela, in your college, from your college?
Almost about 20 to 25, sir. 20 to
20 to
25.
25
Out of 50, sir. Only 50 students got the mail for exam. Yes, sir.
Okay. So very few people got selected, and she is one of them who got selected. So we are very happy. I hope this interview people has helped you, given the information about how to prepare for Capgemini, because right now Capgemini drives are going on, and the pattern will remain the same for a longer time. So hope you prepare well for the interview. Any doubts, anything, please let us know. We are always there to help you out. With this, I wish you all the best. Okay, take good care of yourselves. Happy preparation. Get placed soon. Bye, baby.